Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects all egg lovers out there. We all love eggs for their versatility and nutritional benefits, but did you know that some food pairings with eggs can be harmful? In fact, certain combinations can increase the risk of cancer and harm brain cells, causing dementia. Dementia is the loss of cognitive functioning, thinking, remembering, and reasoning to such an extent that it interferes with a person's daily life and activities. In this video, we'll explore 6 foods you should never eat with eggs. Plus, we'll share the best and worst food pairings for eggs to keep you healthy and sharp. The number of people suffering from dementia has significantly increased, affecting not only the middle-aged and elderly but also young people in their 20s and 30s. This rising issue is largely due to dietary habits and harmful combinations that can damage our bodies. Understanding and applying this knowledge to our diets is the best choice for our health. So, stay tuned to learn how to enjoy eggs the right way. Foods to avoid with eggs. Let's start with the foods you should avoid eating with eggs. Depending on what you consume with eggs, it can negatively impact your health and even lead to cancer and dementia. First on our list is processed meats like bacon and sausage. These meats contain nitrates and nitrites, which can form harmful compounds when combined with eggs. Studies suggest that these compounds may increase cancer risk. Next, we have sugar-laden foods like pastries and sugary cereals. Consuming eggs with high sugar foods can lead to blood sugar spikes. This can contribute to long-term health issues, including dementia. Another food to avoid is fried foods like French fries or onion rings. The combination of high-fat fried foods and eggs can raise bad cholesterol levels. This is a risk factor for both heart disease and dementia. Dairy products like cheese and milk are also on our list. While eggs and cheese might seem like a classic combo, they can be hard to digest together. This can lead to digestive discomfort and long-term health problems. We also recommend avoiding highly processed bread and rolls. These often contain additives and preservatives that can be harmful. Finally, be cautious with alcohol when consuming eggs. Alcohol can impair digestion and nutrient absorption, leading to potential health risks. Why these combinations are harmful? You might be wondering why these combinations are so problematic. Let's break down the science behind it. Eggs are rich in protein and essential nutrients. However, when combined with certain foods, their benefits can be diminished. Processed meats contain preservatives that react with the proteins in eggs. This reaction can produce carcinogenic compounds. Sugary foods cause rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar levels. This can lead to insulin resistance and increase dementia risk over time. Fried foods contribute to unhealthy fat intake. This raises cholesterol levels and can clog arteries. Dairy products can interfere with the absorption of nutrients from eggs. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Processed bread often contains unhealthy additives. These additives can disrupt the balance of nutrients in your meal. Alcohol affects the body's ability to digest and absorb nutrients. This can negate the nutritional benefits of eggs. Best foods to pair with eggs. Now that we've covered what to avoid, let's talk about the best foods to pair with eggs. First, we have vegetables like spinach, kale, and bell peppers. These are packed with vitamins and minerals that complement the nutrients in eggs. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are also great options. They provide fiber and help stabilize blood sugar levels. Avocado is another excellent choice. It's rich in healthy fats that can enhance nutrient absorption from eggs. Tomatoes are a fantastic addition to your egg dishes. They contain antioxidants that work well with the nutrients in eggs. Lean proteins like chicken or turkey can be paired with eggs for a balanced meal. These proteins help maintain muscle mass and overall health. Fresh fruits like berries, apples, and oranges are also great companions. They add natural sweetness and provide essential vitamins. Lastly, consider adding herbs and spices like turmeric, basil, and oregano. These not only add flavor but also offer additional health benefits. A 2022 review explains that bananas and other plantain fruits have anti-inflammatory, antioxidative, and neuromodulatory properties that may help to protect against neurological disorders, including dementia. Studies have found that foods with higher levels of carotenoids, the pigments that give fruits and veggies their orange and red color, are associated with better brain health and a lower risk of dementia. Food that are rich in carotenoids include carrots, squash, sweet potatoes, bell peppers, tomatoes, papaya, apricots, and leafy greens such as spinach and kale. Foods such as walnuts, almonds, peanuts, soybeans, lentils, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds are all good choices to promote brain health and reduce age-related cognitive decline. Seafood, in particular fatty fish such as tuna and salmon, is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are associated with good brain health and a reduced risk of cognitive decline. Berries are a great source of antioxidants and flavonoids, both of which are known to prevent cell damage and can stop the progression of brain damage from free radicals. Remember, these combinations can negate the benefits of eggs and pose health risks. Tips for healthy egg consumption. Now, let's share some tips for enjoying eggs in a healthy way. Start by choosing high-quality eggs, preferably organic or free-range. These eggs tend to have higher nutritional value. Cook your eggs using healthy methods like boiling, poaching, or baking. Avoid frying eggs in unhealthy oils. Pair your eggs with nutrient-dense foods as we discussed earlier. Experiment with different vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Try incorporating eggs into balanced meals throughout the day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner can all include healthy egg dishes. Keep portion sizes in mind to avoid overeating. A couple of eggs per meal is usually sufficient. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Proper hydration aids digestion and nutrient absorption. Listen to your body and notice how different food combinations make you feel. Everyone's digestive system is unique, so find what works best for you. To wrap up, let's share some delicious and healthy egg recipes. Our first recipe is a vegetable-packed omelette. Start with a base of beaten eggs. Add chopped spinach, bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions. Cook in a non-stick pan with a small amount of olive oil. Season with herbs like basil and oregano. This omelette is a nutrient powerhouse and perfect for breakfast. Lastly, try our berry and egg breakfast smoothie. Blend together a handful of berries, a cooked egg, some spinach, and almond milk. Add a teaspoon of honey for natural sweetness. This smoothie is a unique and nutrient-packed way to start your day. Make sure to choose your food pairings wisely. Incorporate eggs into balanced meals with nutrient-dense foods. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the knowledge. Let us know in the comments what your favorite egg pairings are, or if you have any questions about healthy eating. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel. Take care and stay healthy.